Good evening.
We just got back from the casino, which you might have seen. We'll put in some clips here of that.
Yeah. That's too many. So that's 100.
Yep. That's two. Well, that's that's $100, and that's $100 total. So 300 more.
Yeah. Money. Thank you, whoopie, me, money.
That's 500 more.
Is that 500 more?
Yep.
Oh my God. Whoopie, we love you so much. Thank you, whoopie. Yes. Good whoopie. Wow. We can take the profit and try roulette. We have enough. Oh my gosh.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We just got back from the casino, which you might have seen. We'll put in some clips here of that. I did pretty well. I started with 100 and then left with 1,200. So
yes, I would consider that pretty well.
that's good.
Very good.
I was up to 1,500 or so, but ended up putting some back. But walked out with 12, so we're happy with that.
We were going for the grand.
Yeah, exactly. Go big or go home. We're going home.
Yes, and we still profited in a giant way. Right, yeah, exactly.
And now we're going to go and have a couple drinks and then get some dinner. I think we're going to Indigo tonight, the main dining.
Probably, yeah, most
don't
likely.
Don't need special dining tonight. We're going to Cagney's tomorrow, and that'll be the last night. So yeah, we're gonna go to Indigo tonight, and then they got a glow party tonight, and I think
we'll bring that to you.
We'll certainly bring that.
We're going to the glow.
And whatever else we can get up to, we'll show you what we do.
We will, absolutely. It was a really good sea day.
Real good day.
The captain drove us out of the rain. He's got us kind of plopped right in the middle of it, between the storms. So tomorrow we're expecting some pretty icky rain, so you may be able to see some pretty good storm footage. Right. Hopefully not too scary.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see, and I'm sure he'll keep us in safety's way, which is good.
Exactly.
Cool. But come along and escape with us to dinner and then to the glow party.
Escape.
Go.
I couldn't remember.
Got some of our friends we've met over the table next to us. We've been hanging with them for the last few days, having a great time. We're happy to be sat next to them. We're going to be having some, so let's see. Robin is going to get the gnocchi and Italian sausage, and I'm going to get the bruschetta, and we're going to go ahead and split those. And then she's getting the spinach soup, and I'm going to get the cheese tortellini soup. And then she's getting these little neck clams, and I'm going to get the grilled pineapple chicken.
Which one you get?
Grilled pineapple chicken.
Are you gonna do it and ask for no black beans?
Right.
Like, can you get rid of those?
Yeah.
I always think you should just say I have a bean allergy.
I know.
We just put on our order, and Eva is bringing us bread and butter because it's so delicious. So good. The one with
likes to speak with Tony bread.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm sure, but the butter is amazing. I could eat it by the pat. Yum.
Here's my bruschetta. It looks delicious. And Robin's gnocchi with Italian sausage.
Which I don't see.
I do not see any Italian sausage.
It's essence of sausage. All right, give it a try. Yum. Oh, right. Okay, so I'm gonna try the gnocchi. Oh, a nice pillowy puff, little oil. So good. Garlic just immediately smashes your mouth. They're pillowy and puffy and delicious. Oh, so good. We just got our soup service, and we've got the creamy spinach soup, which is just amazing smelling and dark, rich green. And then Steve got the cheese tortellini soup, which actually looks like ravioli, but it looks delicious and it smells amazing. I had to show you the thickness of this soup. Look at this. Oh, and it had creme fraiche on top. Now that's stirring in, making it even creamier. Look at that. I wanted to mention this butter. This butter. Home Dairy's salted butter. This is probably the best butter I've ever had in my life. It tastes so good. I just wanted to mention we love our server, Gieva. We've had her 2 times now. She's so wonderful. And NCL, you definitely should recognize Gieva for being wonderful. She's such a wonderful server. She, the first night, came in and told me, you deserve this. You should have anything you want. And I love that.
Yeah.
No beans to be seen. I just have to stop and say that was the most delicious little necks and clams I've ever had. It was perfectly garlicky, not over garlic, just a hint. And the butter sauce was fabulous, and the little clams were delish. It was just the perfect size serving, because I would have eaten all of that, another twice as much, but it was exactly what I needed. It was so good. And Kira's wonderful. Again. And what did you think of your meal?
It's delicious. The pineapple chicken and rice was a bit dry. Could have used the sauce, but once I got everything all chopped up and mixed together, it was delicious. And I had a little butter. I spent some extra butter and kind of made it a little creamier, so it was fine. It was delicious. Their cheese tortellini soup was actually a cheese ravioli soup, despite what they called it, but it was delicious. Had the same chicken noodle broth as I believe the chicken noodle soup this morning, but it was delicious. And the bruschetta was incredible.
Awesome. Finished with that, yeah. Oh, my key. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that looks delicious. Wow. Thank you.
Look at that. Ooh, what's that?
That is my chocolate mousse.
That's wild looking.
My chocolate mousse.
Chocolat.
And Robin's raspberry tort.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Had a fantastic day.
Yes.
Had a great dinner.
We did.
And now we're heading down to the glow party.
We are.
We shall bring you with us and show you what we see.
Everybody come along and rock and glow on the NCL Pearl.
Escape.
Glow party beginning.
Get ready to go.
Staff is ready.
This is the Glow Party. Come on now. Follow everybody, your person at your stand here with them to the answer. Let's have the warm up.
glowed with the show.
We've glowed, rocked.
We're tired.
Wow.
We're going to bed.
We're going to bed.
It was a long party. It was a great time.
It was a great time, as you've seen.
You know, it took them 8 days.
8 days it took them to get to a glow party.
But they had a party.
And we went.
Good party.
All right, folks.
Had a great time.
This is going to be a short extra.
Time for tomorrow.
Yes, we've escaped.